Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to find barcode in Cash App to deposit money. So first of all you need to open up Cash App on your device, and then on the bottom left side of the app you will either see $1 amount or a bank icon. Simply tap on it and it will take you to the screen. From here scroll down and tap on PayPal Money. And then once you are on this screen, click on show barcode. At the bottom a pop-up menu will come up. Simply tap show barcode and instantly a screen with the code at the top come up. The cashier will scan the code and within few seconds you will receive a notification that money has been added successfully. Well, so this is the way how to find barcode in Cash App to deposit money at Walgreens. Thanks for watching this video.